Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video where today I am going to be showing y'all how I got the best exhaust setup for my F10 535i with some valve cutouts. I am so excited, it sounds amazing. Let's get straight into this. Yes, that's right, valve cutouts. I finally have the right setup for my F10 535i. If you guys are new to the channel, you may not know that I have been going through maybe 4 or 5 different exhaust setups trying to get the best combination of both no drone, sound, volume, and usability and drivability, and I cannot get it. It does not exist. So I had to go to the ultimatum. I got a lot of inspiration from Grant Johnson. I'll leave a link to his YouTube channel in the description. Check him out. He's a really cool guy and he has a very nice F10 535i. He got some cutouts from an online site, I think AliExpress or eBay or something, and so I thought, hey, why don't I try that? Why don't I try the same thing? So I went looking on the internet, I went on eBay, and I found these electric cutouts. They were really cheap for what they were. It brought the remote, it brought the cables, it brought everything. All I had to buy that it didn't include was a little cable extension so that I could actually route everything in there. But once I got that cable extension routed in and everything plugged in, it is now time to show y'all what this thing sounds like. I got my little remote right here. You can see I can close the valves and open the valves. And this actually works when the car is not even on. It can be completely locked and it still works. I don't know why I would want that though, but we can go underneath and you can see the valves right there. I'm gonna go ahead and open them up. You can hear them opening up. You might not be able to see it, but you can hear it. And then I'm gonna close them. There we go, they are closed. And this is really awesome because right now, my setup is my RVG catless downpipe, the stock resonator, and the stock mufflers. But right after the resonator and before the mufflers, I put in these cutouts. So they are right after the resonator, so when I open up the valves like this, all I get is a straight pipe sound pretty much with just a resonator. When I close them up, it directs all the air straight through the mufflers, so it muffles all of the sound. So whenever the valves are closed, no drone, no sound. I love it. When I open them up, it is loud. It is rowdy, it is loud, it pops, it burps, it farts. I absolutely love it. This is the best setup I have had for this car. So, without further ado, let's hear what this sounds like. Also, really quickly, before we begin, I also want to say that I have a BimmerHaus Performance Intake. So if you hear a very loud turbo whistle, it's that, not really the exhaust, but the exhaust does help, of course. But if you hear a turbo whistle, it is this, which I have made a video on previously. Check this thing out. It is insane.